Okay, so we move on to the next category now, which is the Credit Risk Initiative. Right, our nominations are... So our nominations are Lego, Timac and Medtronic. Okay, so again, some really excellent quality nominations here, some really detailed information they gave us, and the quality of what these guys were describing about what they've been doing is really impressive. So second winner in this category is Timac Agro. So Nancy, would you come and join us?